learning how to multiply polynomials. This is chapter 3, lesson 2. Our success criteria is that we are able to multiply a polynomial by a monomial. And we are able to use the distributive property and the properties of exponents. And we're also to multiply vertically, horizontally, and by a table. Finally, at the end of the lesson, we'll be able to expand using Pascal's triangle. Before we start multiplying polynomials, we always have to remember that we have to review property of exponents before multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. Here's an example of multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. So here's an equation, 3x squared multiplied by x cubed plus 4. First we're going to expand this, so it's going to be 3x squared times x squared plus 3x squared times 4. Let me just change this over here. Which continues on to 3x, which continues on to 3x to the power of 5th. As we multiply these two, the powers both add, plus 12x squared is our final answer, because 3 times 4 is 12 and there's no exponent on this one, so it's left the same. Gonna finish. So remember, when you multiply any two polynomials, use the distinctive property and multiply each term in the second polynomial by the first. So in the first term, we multiply each on the second half like this, and on the second term we multiply this like this. So this is how you multiply any two polynomials, and an example will be shown. So here's an example of multiplying a polynomial horizontally. So over here, x minus 2 minus x squared plus 3x minus x squared. So when we multiply this, we have to use the distinctive property since it has two polynomials. So the distinctive property, as it states, you have to multiply like this. Multiply each one, the first factors, and then so once we do this, we get negative x cubed, and x times positive 3x is going to be plus 3x squared, and x times negative x squared, which is going to be negative x cubed again. And then for the second part, minus 2, so it's going to be minus, which is going to be minus 2 times minus x squared, which is going to be positive 2x squared, and negative 2 times positive 3x, which is going to be negative 6x, and negative 2 times negative x squared, which is going to be positive 2x squared. So right now we have to simplify using our common factors, which is negative x cubed minus negative x cubed, which is going to be negative 2x cubed, and plus 3x squared plus 2x squared, which is plus 2x squared, which is going to be 2 plus 2 plus 3, which is 7 plus 7x squared. And we have a negative 6x left out. So this is our final answer, multiplying horizontally. Okay. Then we multiply x with each one, which gives us negative x cubed plus 3x squared plus x, and then we simplify this, which gives us negative x cubed plus 5x squared minus 5x minus 2, which is our final answer for this problem. For our final example, I'll be explaining how to do Pascal's triangle. This is a picture of Pascal's triangle all the way to number 7. So in Pascal's triangle, an example is y minus 3 to the power of 4. First, we identify the coefficients for n equals 4 or rho equals 4. And since row number 4 is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, so first we put the 1 y to the power of 4, negative 3 to the power of 0. We continue this onwards till the end. And at the end, we multiply each one and then we add them all together and we simplify them, so we get y to the power of 4 minus 12y cubed plus 54y squared minus 180y plus 81. Here's a full picture of the diagram and I'm done. It's been a struggle for you your entire year, and now he's watching my board. Faster! You only know!
Kids, do you want to count to 100? Yeah! Count, 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 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,